In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a NDA with DocuSign. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to open up a web browser and go to apps.docusign.com and sign into your account. Now, in the home page here, we want to go ahead and get those signatures. So click on Get Signatures. Now, from here, we need to upload your NDA agreement or document. So go ahead and choose where you've uploaded it to, or if it's on your desktop, click desktop. In my case, it's my desktop. So here's my example NDA agreement. Now, and click onto it to view it to make sure it's all correct. Then from here, we need to add recipients. So we need to go ahead and put in the recipients. So we can put in their name, and we can add as many as we want. And also to the right, we need to go ahead and make sure it says need to sign, and we can again customize this. We can add an access code, so enter a code that you and the recipient know, or add a private message to that. Keep scrolling down, we can select the category if you want, but from here we want to go ahead and click on to next. And then inside of here, we can see the NDA agreement. Now on the left, we can add these signature fields, so we need to go ahead and put the signature fields inside of here. Like so. I'm gonna add 2. We can put dates as well, so we can put the date in like that. And then obviously review the document, so double check that every required field is assigned to the correct recipient and the document is complete. And then from there, go ahead and click on send. Now, once it's done that, it should say document send, and we can track the signing status, so we can return to the manage tab at any time to see whether the NDA has been sent, viewed, completed, or is still awaiting signatures. So we can go ahead and track these agreement status by clicking here. Now, come back to here, so you can see this agreement here. So status, people still need to sign this